Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix eBay refund not received. If your eBay refund is not received, what you can do is check the refund status. Go to your eBay purchase history and find the item to review the exact status of your refund. Secondly, what you can do is you can check the original payment method. Most refunds are returned to check the same payment method used to check out. If you use a credit card or a bank account, check those statements directly as it can occasionally take a full billing cycle for the funds to post. Thirdly, what you can do is you can contact the seller, reach out directly through your eBay messages to confirm when and how the refund was proceed. And lastly, what you can do is ask eBay to step in. If the seller is unresponsive or refuses to issue the refund after 3 business days, visit the eBay Resolution Center to escalate the issue and ask eBay to help under the eBay Money Bank guarantee. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.